All right, everyone, welcome back to Trending Live, your favorite channel for all things tech, DIY, and making life just a little bit cooler.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're not building a rocket or summoning ancient spirits, though some days this door feels possessed. Nope. Today, we're diving into the thrilling world of home repairs. Specifically, we're tackling a menace, a household terrorist door closer. Yes, you heard that right. This little metal arm is the bane of my existence. I am very much fed up with my door closer. And look at the state of it. Here is the culprit, beheaded. I swear, I think it likes to have a fight with me. Every time I try to walk through my own doorway, it's like a surprise attack. See this? It's not serving its purpose. Closing slowly. More like closing with the speed and force of 1,000 angry suns. Instead, it used to spank me. Yes, you heard that right. Spanked. Every single time I try to get inside or leave the door. My relationship with this door closer is strained, to say the least. Anyway, enough door closer therapy. Let's get back on track, shall we? So, the whole frame is made of aluminum, feels pretty rigid. Looks like it's built like a tank that betrays you. It has two knobs here, designed so cleverly. Either you can put the arm on top or at the bottom. Very versatile when it's actually working. This one is by Our World. Our World sounds mysterious. Don't know which company it is. Maybe they specialize in rebellious door hardware. Enough chit-chat though. We've mourned its misbehavior. We've identified the suspect. Now it's time to dismantle this bad boy and see if we can bring it back to the civilized world. So here is the fulcrum on which the lever stays. Let me rotate it. Whoa. It is too strong. Feels like it's been hit in the gym. Maybe the oil has dried up inside and it's all sticky? See? It comes to its initial position quickly. Like it's saying, ha! You can't fix me. All right, challenge accepted. Door closer. There are two screws at the bottom here. I will remove them. Maybe that's how it will magically open up and reveal its secrets. Now, I don't want to give you the whole theory on how it works. Even I don't fully know. But my best guess? It's got to be based on oil and pressure. Like oil flows from the upper to the bottom tube when you open the door, and from bottom to top when closing it. That is why those two screws are probably there, to control the oil flow rate. Think of them as oil traffic controllers. But I really want to see what's inside. Curiosity, you know? It's gonna get the better of me. There are two holes here. Let me put two nails in there and try to rotate it. I think they are using the same mechanism as in the case of a grinder. Probably not, but a DIYer can dream, right? I don't know, but I believe that this device is intact, like really sealed up, and it would be difficult to open it, since there will be chances of oil leakage. Imagine the mess. Let me try the other side then. What the fuck? The nail bended. I will try to open the sides then. Nope, I don't think I will be able to do it without proper tools. Wait a minute. I have the key of my grinder. Let me test it here. Maybe they are using the same distance between the holes. Nope. It didn't work either. Curses! Foiled again by door closer engineering. Can I take a nail and just hammer it? Maybe that will loosen it up a bit and open it up. Nope, this one is also a failure. Let me bring up my pliers then. I will try to rotate it with pliers. Not working. This thing is tougher than it looks. Who knew door closers were Fort Knox level security? Wait, I have another idea. The lever. Leverage. I will put two nails in the hole, and between it, I will put my screwdriver and use it as a lever, which will give me extra leverage, and it might open up. Doesn't work either. Leave it. I don't think it won't open up. But, if I get 1,000 likes on this video, I will bring out the big guns. I'm talking power tools, angle grinders, maybe even dynamite. Just kidding, mostly. We'll see. For 1,000 likes, we unleash the tool shed. Anyway, our main motive was to repair the device, right? Not to completely destroy it in a fit of DIY passion maybe next time. Let me pull these screws out again. The other one. See this? The oil has become, well, let's just say it's seen better days. Dirty oil in a door closer. Who knew drama could be so mundane? Let me bring my machine oil. Here it is, the elixir of life for grumpy door closers. Let's fill it completely. Okay, done. Now let's move the lever and see what happens. See that? The oil is moving. So when I move down, the right side tank comes up, and when it moves up, the left side oil comes out. All the oil went inside. Thirsty little mechanism. Let me fill it again. See that? Okay, I think this much is enough. I will cover it up now. Put the screws back. So, the whole mechanism really depends on how much oil you allow to pass from one piston to the other one. Pretty clever, actually. Let me move the lever now. Still, it is a bit quick. Let me tighten the screws. See? Now it has slowed down. Door closer rehab is working. Let me tighten the bottom screw a bit more. Let's test it out. Now it is very slow. Perfect. Door closer drama averted. So if you ever want to change how fast or slow your door is going, just play with these two screws and see the magic. It's like door closer acupuncture. Let me reset it as per my requirement. Now I have put everything back together. Let's test it one last time. Perfect. Let me tighten the bottom screw a little more, just because I can. Now it is working fine. That's it, folks. Door closer defeated. Home repair victory achieved. Let me know in the comments below if you are facing any issues with your door closer, or any other home repair headaches for that matter. I will create a tutorial video for your problem, maybe even a series. Home repair therapy with your name. What do you think? Don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe for more DIY adventures and home repair shenanigans. And if you really want to see me open up this door closer like a can of sardines, you know what to do. Hit that like button, and let's get to 1,000. Till then, stay trendy, stay live, and try not to get spanked by your doors.